One of the most confusing part of Amazon FBA for both new and experienced seller is figuring out how many units you can actually send to Amazon warehouses. This isn't a simple question. Amazon capacity limits have changed a lot over the years and they keep evolving. Today, I'm going to break down exactly how Amazon's current capacity systems work, what determines your limit, and how you can maximize your storage allocation. The short answer is this: it depends. Your limit is based on your inventory performance index score, your sales velocity, your product dimensions, and Amazon's current warehouse policies. There's no universal number that applies to everyone. Your capacity is unique to your account. Let's start with a little history. In the early FBA days, there were no limits. Sellers could send as much inventory as they wanted. That changed during the pandemic because demand spiked. Warehouses filled up and Amazon began limiting shipments. First came strict unit caps, then came the confusing mix of unit limits and storage volume. Finally, in 2023, Amazon simplified things. They introduced a single monthly capacity limit measured in cubic feet. That's the system we're using today in 2025. So how does it work? Amazon assigns you a monthly capacity limit in cubic feet. This covers all the inventory you have in FBA, both in storage and in shipment on the way. Your limit is based mainly on your inventory performance index or IPI score. That's a number between 0 to 1,000. It measures things like how quickly you sell through inventory, how much excess stock you carry, whether you have stranded inventory, and how often you run out of stock. Amazon wants to see healthy turnover. Sales velocity also matters. If your products sell quickly, Amazon allocates more space to you, and of course, warehouse availability comes into play. During peak seasons, capacity may tighten across the board. Right now, Amazon is providing capacity equal to about 5 months worth of your typical sales volume. It used to be 6 months, so the trend is a little tighter. And now here's where it gets tricky. Your limit is measured in cubic feet, not unit. That means actual number of units you can send depends entirely on your product size. Smaller items equals more units. Larger items equals fewer units. That's why Amazon switched to this system. It reflects real warehouse space, not just unit count. You can check your own capacity in Seller Central. You go to the inventory tab, click on FBA inventory and scroll to the bottom. There you will see the capacity monitor. It shows you current usage, your confirmed limit for next month, and estimates for the 2 months after that. You will also see breakdown by storage type, like standard size, oversized, apparel, and so on. Hey, real quick, if you are getting value from this content, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. It literally takes 2 seconds and it helps more people discover this video, and I really appreciate it. Now I know a lot of you are trying to figure out what product to sell online, and honestly, that's the make or break decision of any e-commerce business. After 15 plus years in this game, I have cracked the code on which product category consistently perform. So I created a free resource called 50 Daily Sales. It's a cheat sheet that reveals 10 product categories that are selling 50 plus units every single day. These are not random products I picked. These are proven categories I've personally seen generate serious revenue. Look, you can spend months guessing and testing, or you can shortcut the process with what is already working. Just click on the link in the description or in the comments below and enter your name and email, and you get the cheat sheet immediately. It's completely free and it could literally change your business. Grab that now and let's get back to the content. So what happens if you go over your limit? Amazon won't let you create shipment. And if your inventory exceeds the limit for any reason, returns or adjustments, for example, you get hit with overage fees, those can add up quickly. How do you maximize your allocation? Keep your IPI score high. That means remove slow-moving products, avoid excess stock, and keep best sellers in stock. Improve your sell-through rate with better listings, advertising, and price adjustments. Clear out aged inventory. Use removal orders if needed. Sell through other channels. Amazon count those sales towards your velocity. There are also Amazon programs designed to help. The capacity manager lets you request more space, sometimes up to 20% more, by paying a reservation fee. If you sell enough, you can earn credit that offset the fee. Amazon warehousing and distributions let you store overflow inventory outside of FBA, so you can drip feed stock into Amazon system. And for new product launches, the FBA new selection program offers benefits like waived placement fees. Let's clear up a few misconceptions. There is no universal number of units allowed. It all depends on cubic feet. A professional account doesn't guarantee more capacity than an individual one. Performance matters more than account type. You can't open multiple seller accounts to get around limits. Amazon tracks that. And spending more on ad doesn't directly increase your capacity. Only your metrics and sales velocity do. So what is the bottom line? Your Amazon capacity is not fixed, it's dynamic. It shifts based on your performance, your product size, and Amazon's own policies. The sellers who thrive are the ones who manage inventory efficiently, keep product moving, and focus on profitable items that justify their storage space. If this episode gave you clarity on how FBA capacity really works, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future episodes. Drop a comment below if you're watching on YouTube and let me know, are you currently dealing with capacity limits or are you just trying to plan ahead? And check the description for a free resource to help guide you on your Amazon journey. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next episode.